LDK time. Let's upgrade. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video it's LDK game time. In this video I'm doing more like let's say an update video. I already did a very extended testing and let's say an unboxing of this product. So check it out if you missed it out. But for now, stay tuned. We are going to take a close look at the custom firmware of the LDK because this thing is pretty damn amazing and you can even download a free upgrade. So more about it, let's go. So when this product comes in, it comes with some stock software. I must say the stock software is not bad at all, but it can be better. So how do you upgrade? It's pretty damn simple. If you remove this cover, you remove this battery. Here at the bottom you can see a CF card. I already replaced it because this is the custom firmware. If you want, I can make a tutorial about it. But for now, you're going to need a 32 gigs of CF card. The original one is 60 gigabytes, so you cannot use the original, or, and this is or, you can download a very small version because we have two custom firmwares. One is just the basic pack and you need to add everything yourself, and I mean these programs and etc. Or you just download the big version, and this one comes without any games or without any ROMs, and you're having some, let's say, custom homebrew stuff on it, but a lot of programs, so that this one is ready to go for you. When booting up the system, what you see is RetroFW intro decal. And this is what happens. It's like magic. No, not really. But right, loading. Let's do an overview. What are we going to get? Alright, this is one of the skins that comes with this software. What you can see here is we're having some things like terminal. I think a lot of people won't use it. Here we have some programs or the emulator itself. What I understand of this custom software, we're having now a lot of new options, new programs, and gives more possibilities to this LDK game. You're even having in the next page more programs. So here we have some homebrew games that we're going to take a close look at. For example, Quake 2, pretty damn awesome. And here we have the settings. Here we can change the skins if you want. If you don't like it, you can just change it here. There are a lot of things like overclocking. I can take a close look at it if I can get out of the menu. And let's see, we're having settings. And what is also very nice, what you can see here, we're having the USB mode that is missing out on the original software. You can plug it in your PC and just basically transfer some files. It's a 32 gigabytes of storage, and I think we had around 14 gigabytes still left. And also with the custom firmware we can play one of my favorite games, Quake. I really love this. I love this game and it plays very nice. And it's also running Quake 2. Sometimes a little bit choppy, a little bit of frame drops, but it is running very nice on this little me machine. I don't know if it's me, but I'm still having this idea that the game, the Street Race remake, is working way better with the custom firmware. But I don't know if somebody else have this too. I still notice some flickering here when playing this game. I don't know if I can fix it, but Wolfenstein 3D, a really classic one. You shoot me in the back. You biatch. Those sounds. So for the final conclusion about the new custom firmware you can download. Keep in mind, this is the full package, so you're going to need a 32 gigabytes of storage CF card. But I must say, there comes no full games or any other ROMs installed. So what you see is what you're going to get. It gives you a lot of new options. And I think that's pretty neat. For example, you can just very easy and basic transfer your files from your PC to this little device. And bring this LDK, I would say, it brings this thing to the next level. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that little bell. And see you next time. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.